In this video, we're going to continue our discussion with multiplying radicals. So first of all, I'm going to square a binomial. Now remember, what I'm going to do is I'm going to expand it out. And then I'm going to FOIL. 5 times 5 is 25. The square root of y times the square root of y is y. Minus 5 times the square root of 7y. Minus 5 times the square root of 7y. Negative square root of 7 times negative square root of 7, that is a positive 7. Combine like terms. Okay, so let's square one more binomial. So again, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to expand it out. And now I'm going to FOIL. 3 times 3 is 9. Square root of x times the square root of x is x. And again, I'm going to combine like terms. Now, the last example, remember, this is the product of a sum and a difference. Well, we talked about that earlier in the course. Product of a sum and a difference ends up being just the first term squared minus the second term squared. So in other words, when I see something like this, I can take this times this. That's 25 times 6 minus this term times this term. 2 times 2 is 4. The square root of 3 times the square root of 3 is 3. 25 times 6 is 150. 4 times 3 is 12. 150 minus 12 is 138. Now, this is neat because now there's no more radicals in my final answer. Okay? What we have here is what is called conjugates. So the only difference between this binomial and this binomial are the signs that separate the terms inside the binomial. All right, let's do one other very quick example underneath just to show you this one more time. Again, the binomials are exactly the same, except one's plus and one is minus that separates the terms. So in other words, I can do this. Square root of 3 times square root of 3 is 3. 7 times a negative 7 is negative 49. And 3 minus 49 is negative 46. Again, notice my final answer does not contain any radicals. This will help us later on.